we tried a meeting discussing maybe pivoting our strategy in regards to the amp and the trap. So what we have right now, the amp doesn't really feed into our speaker shooter that well. So we talked about a different mechanism for the amp and the trap. And we also talked about maybe getting rid of the trap climber, but it seems like the team wants to keep it, so we're going to keep moving forward with that. And we just want to deliver a good beta bot to our programmers that'll shoot consistently so they can start working on autos.
So the amp has been changed a lot because we're kind of like reviewing our amp trap strategy. We're going with this bar design, and amp is now like note path conveyor for the shooter. So we started working on that note path because it's going to be put on the beta bot. So right now we're just kind of prepping materials, getting stuff ready, and hopefully going to put it on the beta bot.
Alright, so we just tested the robot, everything went well. We were above the spot where we wanted the bumper to be, where it was this red line, so it was above it. But one issue that we're running into is that the robot keeps on flipping back, because the force against the wall keeps on sending it in a perpendicular manner, so it starts tilting. So now we have to add in a couple more wheels, and once we get that down, the robot should be going straight, directly up, and it shouldn't start bending over.
As of right now, Intake has been working hard to fabricate our beta final mechanisms for our beta bot that we're building this weekend. We are assembling the belt wrapped swerve prototype, the under the bumper uptake prototype, and the over the bumper roller, centering roller. Overall, Intake prototyping has been a great success. We've had really a lot of success with the centering roller design, and we see it as a effective intake.
Okay, so for the shooter group, we've decided to go with the vertical over the horizontal because it has more power and it's a lot more versatile. And so now, after prototyping for a while, we are getting ready to finalize it and put it on our next robot.
So this past week, we've been working with the Protobot. We've been mainly working on the auto align functionality. So the driver just has to press one button and align to the speaker pose and the amp pose to shoot. So it'll be really fast for the driver. And for this upcoming week, we're gonna program the beta bot once we get it. And with that, we're gonna continue on our auto align, but also test the various subsystems that's gonna be on the beta bot to see which works best to iterate on our final robot design.
Electrical has started mounting the different components onto the drive base, and then soon we'll be able to wire like the entire robot after all the other subsystems are put on it.